This is a quick demonstration on how you can leverage Power BI for your annual budget planning. In this case, we're going to use an FTE example. This particular organisation has a budget plan currently of $4.5 million and they operate in 3 states. What we're going to do here is we're going to input data and create a new branch in South Australia. So let's just assume that we are going to launch a new branch in South Australia and we're going to ramp it up over the year, slowly adding FTE as we go along. Add these values or post these as a new budget for the ramp up of the Adelaide branch. While we're at it, why don't we start a new branch in Brisbane as well and do something similar here. Post these values, makes a salary calculation based on the annual salaries. We head back to our Power BI view. That was originally our staffing for our 3 states that we originally were involved in. Pulling straight from Power BI, we refresh the data. Now we have 67 staff and we can see that the salary costs will be increasing over time and the number of service consultants clearly increase as well. If we head over to our salary view and total costs, we refresh the data. Now you can see in this tree diagram, we can see that we have got Brisbane and Adelaide and the respective costs. We've gone from $4.5 million to $6 million, and we can drill down and have a look at how the expenses increase and the trend in our new branches, whether they're Brisbane, Adelaide. And going back to the overall business, that's where we are. So we've opened 2 branches and slowly increased our costs, our annual planning costs. So next year, the salary costs for this organisation will be $6 million and the headcount will increase from 44 to 67. Now that was a demonstration of FTE budget planning with Power BI visualisation.